So here's the question. At a certain meeting, each person present in the meeting shakes hands just one and everyone else. Altogether, 1,225 handshakes are exchanged. How many people are present in the meeting? So gagamitin natin dito ang formula ng combination. So baka tanungin nyo, bakit hindi permutation gagamitin? Kasi order doesn't matter within this given question. So kunin natin ang formula ng combination. Combination is equal to n factorial over the quantity n minus r factorial over r factorial. And n for r factorial I mean. So let's say n is the number of people, while r, how many people lang kailangan upang makapag-perform ng isang handshake? Very good. Dalawa. It's 2. So let's take this. Let's substitute the r. C is equal to n factorial over the quantity of n minus 2 factorial and 2 factorial. Ayan po. So, paano natin siya i-simplify? We will take this n by the quantity of n minus 1, tatanggal natin yung factorial, over 2 is equal to 1,225 handshakes. Okay? Ayan, ikahon natin yan. Yeah. So, what we're going to do now, itong 2, imbes na gamitin natin pang divide, we will use this to multiply this to 1,225. So, maging kalabasan yan, n with the quantity of n minus 1 is equal to 1,225 multiplied by 2. So, what is 1,225 multiplied by 2? Very good. It's equal to 2,450. And multiplied, n by the quantity of n minus 1 is equal to 2,450. Ano ang gagawin natin? We're about to transpose this. Since positive to, itatranspose natin dito. So, that will be negative. And by the quantity of n minus 1 minus 2,450. Ang gagawin naman natin, we will distribute this n dito sa given na parenthesis. So, mangyayari, n times n squared, n times negative 1, so negative times positive, it's negative, so it's negative n minus 2,450. Ito po ang gagamitin natin sa pag-solve ng quadratic formula. So, let's take this n as A, this negative n as B, this negative 2,450 as C and C. Okay? So, we will take the formula of quadratic formula. So, negative B plus a negative B squared minus 4AC all over 2A. Okay? Ito po ang gagamitin formula. Ito natin. To substitute, this n squared, the leading coefficient of that is 1. Since wala namang siyang sign, ito negative n, since negative siya, this would automatically be negative 1. And ito, obviously, negative 2,450. So, negative dito, we will take this as positive 1 plus and minus by the square root of b squared, which is b squared, negative 1 squared, subtract by 4, ano yung 1 natin? Positive 1, multiplied by negative 2,450, all over 2a, which is 1. Get the final number of this. Kung ano po yung nasa loob na square root. Okay? So kunin muna natin to, yung square root. Negative 1 squared. Always remember, kapag negative to tapos even number yung exponent, that would automatically be positive 1. Negative 2,450 multiplied by 1, it remains the same, negative 2,450 multiplied by negative 4. So, sagot dyan ay 9,800. Yan, 1 plus 9,800. So, 1 plus 9,800 is equal to 9,801. What is the square root of 9,801? Very good, it's 99. So, maging kalabasan yan, 1 plus and minus. Tatanggalin natin itong sign. So, maging 99 siya over 2. So, makikita naman natin dalawang operation, dalawang maging possible answer niya. So, maglalagay tayo ng linya dito sa gitna. Here will be the positive sign and this will be the negative sign. Okay? So, let's take 1 plus 99 all over 2. So, maging kalabasan niya ay 100 over 2. And number of people sa given na operation ay 50 people. Sa pa? Yung sa negative. So, let's take 1 subtract by 99 over 2. Kaya maging sagot dyan ay negative 98 divided by 2. So, negative 98 divided by 2. Okay. So, maging kalabasan dito ay n is equal to negative 49. Eh, hindi naman pwede maging negative ang sagot dito. Kaya, this is the final answer. The number of people present at the meeting is 50 people. So, I hope you learned something new. It's me, Bernardo Escorial. Stacker out.